Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're just doing a basic oil change in this 2022 Honda Civic. We're doing a basic oil change in this. As you guys can see, we lift it up already with the jack stand on the side. So if you're wondering where is the jack point in this 2022 generation, you can jack it up in this metal here, coming from the driver's side, just underneath on camera focus there. This is a solid metal here, and then after you jack it up, you have enough room for your jack stand. You can jack it up, you can place your jack stand in that jack points. So remove the skid plate. As you guys can see, it's already open. It's pretty straightforward. You need to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think that's 9 screw. But you know what I mean. You get what I'm saying. That's all the screw down there. And you will know where is your what do you call this? You know where is your engine oil filter. This guy here. This is your engine oil filter, and Honda is so kind enough to say where's your drain plug bolt, which is right here. It's almost the same as all Honda. I think they're easy to work on too. I just don't like the aspect of removing all these tabs here, like removing all the screws. So there's two types of engine in this 2022 Honda Civic sedan. What it says. Two kinds. There's 1.5, if I'm not mistaken. Here it is, guys. So there's 1.5 and 2.0. So for 2.0, you need 4.2 liters of oil, and you will determine your engine size by looking up. Let me just put this back there. By looking up here. Here, it's hard to do this with one hand. Let me just. Shit. So it's easier for you guys to know what is your engine size by looking under your hood. It is actually right here. So this particular model is 2.0. So yeah, we're just waiting for him to buy the right engine oil filter because he always likes to use aftermarket ones. I'm not a fan of that. This is the interior in this 2022 Honda Civic. Not gonna lie, actually, kind of looks like the Type R. So nice, so premium. All these knobs are firm. If you step on the brake, oh, never mind. And close the door, it will illuminate that Honda logo. Let's see. Now we remove everything up. It's still dripping oil. Now we're putting back the Honda oil filter. Just want to make sure that we'll do it first. Ate, come. This is my friend's car. I'll hold this. Put it here. put a little bit oil on top just to make sure that when we start it up, it doesn't run dry. We're putting the skid plate back. Yes.
Easy.
You need this one. This one goes here. That goes there. Stop this thing. So this flat screws, just remember where you take them out. But this one essentially go here, like that. And then you turn it, 2 clicks, then you're done. There. That's it. This guy right here goes right in here. And the small ones, they go here on the side. Now we have another small one, goes right in here. Now customer wants to use model 1 0W20 as per manual specification. Is also listed down here. We fill her up for 4.2 and it's currently sitting at, let's see, it's currently sitting at 14K, 14324, 14,324 kilometers. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you do like this video, please hit like, share and subscribe, and I hope this helps. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment down below.